Hey, hi guys, today this is my game that I've made, and I will show you how I started it off with. So, let's start it off with the tutorial. Not really a tutorial, but not following, go to project settings, right? And then XR management. So, this will take a while, so I'm just gonna cut that out. Okay, so now that's cut it out, but then once you're on here, make sure you're on the computer tab, then click on OpenXR. By the way, you can follow with me if you want to. I'll cut this up. Okay, so after it says that, it says are you sure you want to restart? So then you click yes. Now it should, maybe you might not, but it should restart start this Unity, and then it'll start loading up again. Let's wait for that. Okay, so now when this is done, basically you want to click on this, and then I'm pretty sure you want to click edit on here, go over here and then click that, go down to Oculus Touch and Valindex Touch. Make sure render mode is multipass. And then I'm gonna real quick just cut right to the next part. Okay, so then next, when you're done with that, you go over here, multipass, and go back to XR plugin management. Go to the Android tab and click on Oculus. Wait for this to install. Okay, so then after that, what you do is I had to cut it a little bit because I forgot what to do. You go to Oculus, make sure this is on multipass, and then you also click low overhead mode. Target devices is like, do you only want it to be on Quest 2, then uncheck that. If you only want to be on Quest, then uncheck that, but I would always have only these two. Okay, then that's done with this, so then you just exit out. You can ignore this, I'm pretty sure that doesn't really matter. When you go out of this, you have to go over, to, where is it? Okay, then what you do next is you go over to Window, Package Manager, and then you click on this, get package from GitHub URL, and then I'll zoom in on it and type this. I already have it pasted, but I'll give you a little bit to take it. Okay. You can also pause the video if that wasn't enough time. And you click add, and you wait for it to install, which will install quickly, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so then when it's done, which it's about to be done, come on. Okay, then you click I made a backup, go ahead. Go down to samples, and then, if I'm correct, we go to starter assets. And then it should say download here or something, I'm pretty sure. And then if it just says that, just click download and import. Then when you import it, what you do next is one thing I forgot about to do is go back to your project settings and go to OpenXR, and then when you go back to the Android tab, click the plus and then Oculus Touch. Forgot to do that. Okay, then close this, right? and then go over here, samples, XR 2.2. Okay, and then ignore all of this stuff. And then just go through all of these and then click up here and click add to action-based controller provider, and then also those first two ones are just like easy snap turn, so that'll be a different time. And then over here, so only do these ones. You can't, I'm pretty sure you can't just like, yeah, you can, I think, but then after you do that, we need to go to, when you're done with this, you want to go back to project settings and go to preset manager, and where it says right hand controller and left hand controller, put just all lowercase right in this one and left in this one, and just close that out. And then next, what you have to do is go, okay, first off, from now on, the rest to do is, so basically the GitHub page will be in the end, and all you have to do, okay, I'm sorry, I haven't got this stuff closed out. All you have to do is either search up tag logo motion, and also just be in the will be in the description. So you just go to this, and then what you do is click on this, download, then you download it. By the way, that's my fourth one because then I've already created my own. Then you import it to your assets and then reload. Okay, it might not show reload for you, but that's fine if it doesn't. Okay, what you want to do first is you want to go up here, 30, cube. Then let's see. Okay, so the cube is right here. Also delete this main camera at the top. Always delete that. Okay, then just make like a small little platform. Okay, and if you want to be like organized, go back down to assets, and then create folder, then just name it materials. I like to name it material girl, and don't ask why. And then go here, create material, go down there, create material, press enter, then go over here, create a color you want. So I'm gonna go with green, a little bit darker, lightish green. That's my ground. Okay, so then that's my ground now. So now you want to go to resources, Gorilla Play Fabs, and then Gorilla Rig. Set it down around here. And then over here on the Gorilla Rig, always set that to floor because it won't work otherwise. Then what you do next is, well, that's really it for the original game, like just moving around. This is not for multiplayer at all. And if you want multiplayer Photon is like the best place to get multiplayer. There is Normcore, which is really easy. I'm going to show you that in this one. In the next one, I'll show you how to like do Photon, but that might not be for a while. But basically that's why you press enter, because it'll just get stuck there and won't change its color. Alright, so then just like make a little map, the Gorilla Rig there. Okay, so next for Normcore, you can either search up Normcore, which will just come up instantly, or I'll have it in the description below. So basically, all you need to do is sign in, which I'm already signed in. Then just first download. So it'll start downloading over here. Add to my assets. Make sure you're logged in. Then open in Unity. So you open. Then you find it on here. here. Sorry, you might have like none, but I have a bunch. Then you go here, you click download. Mine says re-download because I already have it downloaded. Then import. Go over here, import it all. Okay, while that's importing, go back here to the Normcore website. Go to applications and create a new application. I'll have to blur this stuff and then create a new application like blah, and then you save it and the code will be below it, so you copy the code, go back here. You might get an error, which usually I don't, but I did, which is fine. Just gotta wait for it to load. Hey, close. Nobody really cares about that, so just close it. Anyways, go back to assets. I'm pretty sure it's normal. Example, VR player. Drag real-time VR into this one. Then what you do is you name the room like whatever, and then you put that code into right there. And then when you get over to the Gorilla Rig, I would just say open it up. Okay, so head is main camera. Root is Gorilla Player. Left hand is left hand controller, and right hand is right hand controller. If that's wrong, I will make it on the Photon one. I'll fix that if you just don't want to use Photon on that one, but I'm pretty sure that is it. And then all you have to do is just, yeah. And this will be the character, even the mouth moves. And if you want to make any arrangements to it, all you have to do is put like, say you want to make a hat for a cube, just put it, make sure it's always under the head, or else it won't show. Or that might only be a Photon, but so you want to make this like a hat that everybody gets, like not a cosmetic. And then all you have to do is save. Okay, well it's not saving, that's weird. Okay, then I'm pretty sure that's it. And then you just click play to test play. Sorry, give me a second. Sorry, this is like a little bit of a long one, but then you go to scene and see there's your character. And that's it. And then you just continue developing it. And that's how I got to there. Next tutorial will be on how to make a Photon one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.